To my dear teachers, to our future teachers, good morning to all of us.
Teaching internship students of City of Panadol University.
Remember that every challenge you face and every lesson you learn has a quick